What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted something, but I did want to give you guys a little update about what's going on in my life and our current living situation. So I'm actually standing inside of a house right now, and I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour of the way the house currently sits. So just with the way the world is, with house prices going up, interest rates going up, and supply chain issues, we've just kind of decided that, building a custom home just is not in the cards right now. Everything's so inflated and expensive, and I've been spending a lot of time in my sister's neighborhood. She moved back from Chicago, and her neighborhood is amazing. And so we've really been torn about, building on our lot, the 1.73 acres that we bought, and versus buying a pre-existing home or even trying to find something else that we could do. So we're in love with my sister's neighborhood, but we ended up pulling the trigger on a house that was kind of in the middle of being made. It's actually going to be a market home for one of the builders that are in here, and we decided that we should just take the plunge and buy it. So I'm actually standing in that house right now, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour around the way it currently is. Like I said, this was supposed to be a market home. It's actually going to be ready to go at the end of March. So I only have a few more months of living in our condo closer towards the city. And, we'll finally be able to get back into a house, which I'm really, really excited about. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys around a little tour. Like I said, it's still in progress. They actually just finished painting inside of here. So it's got drywall. They're starting to put doors in. It's got brick wrap on the outside currently. So it's still got quite a ways to go, but they did start bringing in some of the kitchen cabinets and that sort of thing. So figured I'd take you guys along real quick. So I'm just gonna start off here at the front. All right, so this here is the front door. We've got a nice big porch here, which is nice. So like I said, it's still a work in progress. Don't even have doorknobs or anything on here, but this is going to be a little coat closet. This is the foyer, 9-foot ceilings. Over here is a future office. And then we also have a half bath right here, which is nice. And then we've got this little cutout here, a little cubby cutout. It is a first floor master, so we'll go in this way first. Nice little hallway, nice big master, tray ceiling. So 9 foot plus the tray ends up being just over 10 feet. They just did tile work here in the master bath, so I can't actually go back in here and show you, but that's going to be a really big shower, 2 shower heads. A vanity is going to go here, another vanity will go down here. This is a water closet, and then there's also a little linen closet right here. And then back there is a gigantic walk-in closet, so I'll have my side, there's a wall inside of it, and then on the other side of the wall is going to be my wife's side. So that's that. So coming back out here, you'll see we've got stairs. We also have this really nice great room. So these are like 12 feet or something like that. 11, 12 feet. And then this will be a stone fireplace with bookshelves on the inside. Like I said, they are starting on cabinets and stuff. So as you can see, we've got gray cabinets. With this being a market home, I wasn't able to pick everything out, but it's got gray cabinets. It's going to actually have a really dark blue island here, which they're still working on. This is kind of the color of the island. View of the great room here. And then this is our kind of our dining area. So we don't have a formal dining room, but this is going to be our dining room, morning room, whatever you want to call it. And then we actually do have a really nice big porch outside of here. So really tall patio roof and a nice big patio. I think this is a 14 by 20 or 16 by 20. So this will kind of give you an idea of the brick color. So if we can keep heading over here, I can't really walk in here yet because they did some tile work in here, but this is going to be a mudroom area. I'm actually going to convert this into a giant pantry because there technically is no pantry. It's got a big pantry closet over there, but I want a nice big pantry. So I'm going to convert this mudroom into a big pantry with a little walk-in closet there. This was supposed to be a coat closet, so I'm going to convert this whole area. And then over here is actually the laundry room. And this is out for the garage. That'll be another video at a later time, but 3-car garage, side entry. So that's that. And then this takes you down to the basement. We've got a full unfinished basement. It'll be actually very, very big. This house is just over 3,000 square feet, so we're gonna go up the stairs real quick. And 4 bedrooms, so it's got a first floor master like I showed you, and then there are 3 bedrooms up here. So first one here on the right, decent size. This is gonna be a cutout for attic access to the roof line over here. This will be a little closet with some sliding doors here. And then there's a Jack and Jill bathroom, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we're gonna make it work. So dual vanities here. And this is the tub shower and toilet. And then this side is another bedroom, about the same size as the other one. So that's what that looks like. This one actually might be a little bit bigger because it does have this walk-in closet, which is nice. And if we come back out to the hallway, we've got a little return line here and attic access, linen closet, and then this is the largest of the 3 bedrooms up here. It's actually a really pretty big bedroom. Walk-in closet. As you can see, it goes all the way around. So this is the view from in here. And this one actually has, they're calling this a princess room or something. So it's actually got its own ensuite bathroom here. So even though we don't have any kids yet, this would be good for future. Maybe put one kid in here, 1 kid over there, or either maybe make this the guest room. I'm not really sure yet, but as you can see, they're still developing out here a little bit. There's some empty lots right here and down there, but I'll have to give you guys the tour of the actual neighborhood. Like I said, this is my sister's neighborhood, so I can show you where she lives eventually too. But so this street goes all the way down into a cul-de-sac. So that's basically that. We can head back downstairs, but generally speaking, that's the whole house. There was a video that I made a while back, my last house. There are, some similarities with both houses, different builders, but some similarities. So I'm excited to finally have my own kind of space again, and I'm not living out of a suitcase anymore and all that. So pretty excited. All right, so I know that this was a really quick video, but just kind of want to give you guys a little life update and kind of tell you guys what our living situation is. I can go into further details as this build goes a little bit further down the road here. Like I said, there's only a few months left before we can actually move in here. And since this was a market home, I wasn't able to pick anything out. All the colors and all the fixtures and everything have already been picked out for me, but I already know that there's going to be things that I want to change. So it'll be a work in progress, but yeah, this is just a little bit, easier than going through a whole custom build process. I can explain that in another video too, as other reasons why we're not going that route. But I think this is going to be good for us, and we should be here for at least 5, maybe 10 years. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so if you guys have any comments or questions about what's going on in our lives or about this build that we're going through right now, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will let you guys know what happens and take you guys along for another ride, maybe around the neighborhood or something at a later point. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.